victory lap is your final triumph when you finished your quilt top. Today I'm going to demonstrate on a large quilt block, but normally at home I would do this when I finish my quilt top. A victory lap is when you're sewing around the perimeter of your quilt before basting and quilting. This helps to ensure that all of these seams are going to be stuck together and you're not going to have any trouble with your seams coming apart when you're wrangling your quilt in basting and in quilting. It's a really good way to ensure that everything's going to stay the way that you want it to. You've worked so hard to put this together. Let's make sure it stays together nicely. To do a victory lap, you want to have your machine with a piecing foot and some regular piecing thread. Normally I would use a color that blends in with my quilt. Today I'm using some purple so that you can see it. I have a normal stitch length on of a 2.4 and I'm going to stitch about 1/8 of an inch all the way around my quilt. I didn't backstitch when I started, and I won't backstitch when I'm done. I really just want to make sure that I'm securing all of those layers. Your 1/8 of an inch seam doesn't have to be perfect. You just want it hidden when you're done quilting your quilt. And that's how you do a victory lap all the way around your quilt top.